bite your fingers.
No, he bite it with the leaf.
Oh. Is he trying to get that leaf?
Yeah. I feeding it to. Oh, he ate it.
He ate it.
I don't give him some.
Well, that might make his tummy not feel good. Give him regular grass.
Okay.
No, there's some over. Oh, uh-oh, he's climbing up. He says, come on, feed me.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. He ate it.
Come on.
Oh.
I don't. You. Here. Oh, I lost it. When you die, Monkey likes it.
He likes it.
Now I go see this guy. He likes it. Here. Two guys. Two. You eat it too. The other guy. Both eating it.
Yeah.
Now they're chewing and chewing.
They're chewing and chewing.
Hi there, friendly guy.
Oh, careful.
Mommy, I could give them a little bit more.
I don't know if they're going to eat that. That's straw.
Look. Oh!
Oh.
Mommy, I could give them some of the sweets.
Oh, that's a rock. Don't. That's a rock. No.
Let's walk.
Well, no. That's not good. That's not good for it. Grass. Look, there's grass here. You can get some grass for him right there.
Okay. Here.
Yeah,
Here
that's
now?
better. Better than rocks, for sure.
Yep.
Okay, can you say goodbye?
No, I don't want to say goodbye.
You like these guys too much?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mommy, I just stay here. Mom, he's eating.
Yeah, he is.
Ow! Mom, he ate it.
Did he eat your finger too?
Yeah. Here. Mommy, he likes it.
Yeah.
Ow.
Oh.